So today, guys, we have this lovely Clasico style villa. It's a 2-bedroomed. We are on an urbanisation called Camposol on the Costa.Calida in the Murcia region. So let me go in and take you down. So it's quite a wide road, as you can see. Now, this property is 8 kilometres from the local beaches, and there are several of them. Just inside the gate, you have an area where you can put some pots if you want. And just up a few steps, you have the terrace. So really nice terrace. You could put an awning above if you wanted. Some shade in the hot summer sun. Now this house is pristine. It has an overhead light outside. And as you can tell, it's all newly decorated, and that's throughout, inside and out. Even the wreckers are pristine. New modern door on here, and as we go in, it's nice, bright and airy. You've also got aircon up there. As I pan around, you've got a modern light and fan. Just there, you've got your windows, and just pan around for you guys, give you a sense of the room. You have got insect screens, wreckers and blackout blinds on the windows. Those blackout blinds are great in the hot summer sun. You can pull them down, keep the room nice and cool. Through here, through this archway, we have your master bedroom first. So in the master bedroom, on either side of the bed, you've got plugs and switches. Just above, you've got ceiling light and fan. And just over there, you've got integrated overhead storage and double wardrobes. You can get a king size bed in here quite comfortably. So we go over, and directly opposite the master bedroom is the shower room or bathroom. So directly opposite the bedroom, of course, you've got your bathroom. You've got a nice decorative mirror there, rain head shower, curtain rail above, your place for your towels. It's all fully tiled. You've got your WC and your bidet. And if I just lift the camera up, you can see you have an overhead heater. You've also got a socket up there to plug it into. And just here, you've got your sinking pedestal and your rain head shower. Okay? And you've got your shaving socket just there as well. We've also got some hooks on the back of the door for your dressing gown. So I'm just coming out of this room and we'll go into the second bedroom now. In the second bedroom, as you can see, there are 2 single beds. You can put a double bed in here quite comfortably. Again, you've got wreckers and blackout blinds on the windows and insect screens. You've also got a curtain rail above there. If I pan around, you've also got a mirror, your integrated overhead storage and your double wardrobes, and you've got a standard light fitting above. Okay. You've also got a hook on the door there for your dressing gown. So just let's go through here. We're back into this very large, spacious living space. And just through here, you have your kitchen. The kitchen has high gloss cupboards on with little blue handles, and you have an integrated hob and oven which are electric, and your sink and drainer. Okay, so I'm just going to pan around for you now, and just here you have more top and base units. You've got a fridge, freezer, microwave and a washing machine. I've just looked at all these appliances and they all look brand new. And the washing machine looks brand new as well, as does the cooker and hob. So let me take you out the back now. The back has a lovely tiled back area. Just walking down here, this is a nice place to put a little bistro table and chairs, have your breakfast in the morning, and you got some storage at the other end. You also got a water point there, a tap, and you have an overhead light, outside light. So let me take you up to the rooftop solarium. It's a bit of a windy day today. So here you have a pergola. You could easily put hot tub up here if you wanted to. Some of that false grass and maybe some loungers. Nice area. You also have a little gate on the other end over there to keep, you have a pet dog to keep them from coming upstairs. I take you back downstairs again. Now we're back down. These walls, as you can see, are raised for privacy. It's all been newly decorated, and that's throughout the property, inside and out. This is ready just to put your bags down and come inside, you know, add your own special touches. So if you're interested in this property, contact info@tolettoseltobuy.com and put the reference number as well as your contact details, and someone in the office will get back to you. Until the next time, guys, have a lovely day, and don't forget to share and like.